Okay, now we know why we use Docker and what is Docker. Next step is install Docker and use it. So let's go to the installation. Just to show you, I just uninstalled Docker so we can install it together. I don't think it will be a problem for you, but let's do it together. I will use Docker Desktop for this video tutorial series. Let's type Docker Desktop download in the search engine and we can choose first link from the official Docker website. I am using Windows operating system as my host operating system, but if you are using any other operating system, go ahead and download the installation file suitable for your operating system. Docker support Linux, Mac OS and Windows. You can use any operating system which Docker support. For this tutorial, Docker concept and commands do not change depending on the operating system. If you are using Mac, Intel or Silicon, uh, it support Linux, it support Windows. When you go to the Linux, it have Ubuntu, Debian, Fedora, all this installation for different distributions. Red Hat Linux, yes. Okay, the download is complete. Let's install the Docker Desktop. Okay, I use Ubuntu Linux as my primary operating system on my work computer. I work with Jetson as well. Previously, I used macOS with M1 chip for my personal uses. Now, I am using this Windows computer for my personal uses. Based on my experience, I can confidently say that Docker runs seamlessly on all these operating systems. Actually, that is the core purpose of Docker, to eliminate dependency on the host operating system. Docker creates a consistent platform on top of the host operating system, so the differences between the environment no longer matter. But if you are facing any issues, please comment down below. I would love to help you. Okay, now it is properly installed. This is the Docker Desktop UI. Let's go to the command prompt as well. We can check whether Docker is working on the command prompt. Okay, I have to change the keyboard layout. Yes. When you type like Docker version, you should able to get some kind of a Docker version. Uh, Mine is 27.3.1. Depending on the time you watch this tutorial, you will get a different one, but most of the concept and commands will be similar. Yes, and when you type Docker, you will get the full list of commands. Yes. In the UI, you can see currently running containers. We don't have any. These are the images, volumes paired like this. So if you have this, you have correctly installed the Docker Desktop. Let's go to the next video. Like and subscribe for more videos. If you have any issues, please comment down below.